How to generate leads for your local business. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be getting into what you need to do step by step to get leads for your local business. So let's jump right in. Now, your local business could be anything. It could be a store, it could be a agency, it could be providing some kind of service. You could be a lawyer, a doctor, a veterinarian, a jewelry store owner, a antique store owner. It doesn't really matter. What matters is you have a location-based audience that you want to target. And how can you do that online? Well, how can you generate leads for a business within your local area? Well, it's very simple, and I'm going to break down some of the key elements of it, and we're going to perform them. So, first off, the first thing you have to do is collect emails. Now, how can you collect emails from people? Well, it's very, very easy to collect emails nowadays, emails and phone numbers, because both of these platforms are super popular for marketing, and that is by providing a incentive. Now, that incentive could be called your lead magnet. So if you visit my store over here, I would put something like get 10% off, like this one. So sign up for 10% off your first purchase. And this is where I just collect emails, and people are very, very likely to sign up when they are getting a discount or when they're getting an offer. So you're just going to provide a lead magnet. A lead magnet could be a discount, it could be a promotional article, it could be a blog post, but it's basically incentivizing. Now, the second step you have to follow is whenever you create a lead magnet. For me, this is just an example store that I'm showing a lead magnet on. A lead magnet could be anything, but you need to make sure your lead magnet is directly related to your business. So let's say I have this website that I'm trying to promote in my local area, but the lead magnet that I'm providing is the 10 best deals on Walmart today. So that lead magnet has no direct correlation with my website. So you need to make sure that your lead magnet is directly related. Thirdly, you want to make sure your lead magnet resolves a issue that could be from your business. So it resolves something that could be resolved. It provides a incentive to resolve a issue via your business. So obviously for e-commerce stores, you can't really provide that kind of incentive, but you can create a lead magnet for maybe a vet clinic, so a animal clinic. And let's say you can create a lead that is something along the lines of, do you have a fussy cat, and is your cat scratching all of your if your cat is behaving odd, then you should visit our clinic for a overall wellness checkup of your pet. So providing a incentive like that can be a lot more useful if you're in the service industry. Providing discounts can be obviously the better option if you're in a product industry. Now, once you've created your lead magnet, you have to promote it. Obviously, I'm doing this on my own website, but if you don't have your own website, then you need to resort to ads. And it's very essential to create ads for any business. If you have a website, if you don't, simply because Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all of these adverts are targeted. So you can streamline your ads as well on Facebook to target only people in a certain vicinity, and you can target people locally in your area. It's very simple, and it can be very effective to get your name out there, to get your lead magnet out there. And once you have your lead magnet, you get the people's emails and phone numbers. Once you have the emails and phone numbers, you can start cold calling them. Not cold calling, but doing cold emails and cold texts, just so you can get started with your product, and you can get the people interested even further in purchasing your product or service. Now, with Facebook ads, there are multiple different videos on Facebook ads, but a lot of people skip out on a very important and very essential step. Facebook ads need to be combined with Google ads. So I recommend doing both. Although you might be like, hey, that's gonna set me way out of my budget. Well, leave a small budget for both of those platforms, simply because Google is a primary search engine while Facebook is a social media platform. You want to combine information that you're getting from both of these to get the best results possible to generate leads and pursue them further. Now, one more step that a lot of people skip and is probably one of the most important. So, even if you do none of the previously listed steps for having local leads, you need to do this because it's super essential. That is, create your own Google Business Profile. What is a Google Business Profile? Well, you know those businesses you see on Google Maps, and then you can open up the direction for those. That is a Google Business Profile like this. And it is very essential that you have a Google Business Profile. You can see I have an example profile set up. You can read reviews, you can add your product or services here, you can get bookings, you can create a Q&A, and you can simply advertise with Google Ads directly from here. This will open up Google Ads and you can set it up. Plus, you will also be able to see the overall performance of your business. Now, you might be wondering, how can I see the performance of my business? Well, the more people are searching for your business, the higher the amount of converting customers you should have. So you can actually see the conversion data real time, and you can easily track your Google Ads with your listing as well. This can be a great way to monitor if you're actually getting your leads to be converting, or if you're just gathering leads and not having any converting customers. Now, the next thing is this extension that I recommend. So this extension is actually called AIPRM. This is a ChatGPT Chrome extension. You just download it off of the Chrome Web Store, and then it creates this little section. On the top left, you can just select SEO from here, and then you have all of these different prompts. So it basically creates detailed prompts for you, and then you can just use these prompts to get more structured information. So you might be wondering, how is this effective in local SEO or local lead generation? Well, if you actually take a look at the marketing tools over here, so you will be able to see that it actually creates Facebook advertising or professional advertising campaigns, as well as local SEO master plan. So all you have to do is click on this prompt, and then you just type in the name of your business, and then you just enter your location as well. Now we're going to add our location. So you just add your name and location, and then after that, it's going to get started with creating a local SEO optimized advertising campaign, and you can really enhance the performance of your online presence of your business to rank a lot higher than it currently is. So I definitely do think that if you combine all of these elements together, you'll be able to generate a lot more leads, and it really is probably one of the best ways to get started with a local SEO lead generation. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.